Hi everybody, Vince Torch here from the Grow Group here on a little bit of a gross day in Dayton, Ohio, but I'm with my friend and our client, Adam Dukes. Adam's been in a peer group of ours since 2017, seen a ton of great things you've done with your business since you joined the peer group. You're back at Grunder Landscaping. You came to warm and sunny Dayton, Ohio for the third time, but you brought your team with you this time, didn't come alone. What was it like to have your team with you at Grunder this week?
Yeah, it was really nice. So I came the first time in 2015, and since then we've grown as a business, and so every time I've come back, I've gotten to look at things differently and learned a lot differently, which has been really nice. And this time bringing my team, I'm going to these events and I'm coming back and trying to bottle up everything I've learned and then take the bottle back with me and then open the bottle.
It's all on you.
Yes.
It's all on you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then spread the awesome message and everything I learned. And this time it was great to get to go through it together, talk through things as a team, spend the time together as a team and kind of get to bond. And it was just awesome and really nice to watch them. I mean, you could just see how much they were learning and sponging.
And Adam, you've got a great team. You've built a great team. They probably had fun in the airport together, joking around. Probably had fun at the hotel last night. Like, it's just a good camaraderie experience. But also, as you said, the learning's going beyond you. So that message is going to get amplified 5 times bigger. So we appreciate you coming as always. It's great to see you. We had a great week at the Grunder Field Trip this week. Thanks again, everybody, for following us, and we'll talk to you next week.